A patio door is more than just a gateway to your outdoor space. It serves as a focal point that can transform your living area and elevate your lifestyle. If you're a homeowner in Kendall, investing in a new patio door offers numerous benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. From increased natural light to better energy efficiency, here's why installing a new patio door is a smart move for your home. Enhanced curb appeal and modern aesthetic. One of the most immediate benefits of a new patio door is the boost it gives to your home's visual appeal. Outdated or damaged doors can detract from the overall look of your home, while modern patio doors can refresh and elevate the space. New designs offer sleek, elegant lines, expansive glass panels, and a variety of finishes to match any style. Whether your home's aesthetic is contemporary, classic, or somewhere in between, a new patio door can enhance your indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. Improved natural light. Nothing brightens a home quite like natural light. New patio doors, particularly models with larger glass panes, let sunlight pour into your living area. Increased natural light not only creates a warm, inviting atmosphere but can also positively impact your mood and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. In Kendall, where sunny days are plentiful, installing a new patio door is a great way to bring the outdoors in and create a more open, airy feel. Greater energy efficiency. Older patio doors may have outdated glass or lack sufficient insulation, leading to heat transfer and higher energy bills. Modern patio doors are built with energy efficiency in mind, featuring advanced insulation technologies, low emissivity, low E, glass, and weather-resistant seals. This means they help keep cool air inside during Kendall's hot summers and reduce drafts during the cooler months, ultimately saving you money on heating and cooling costs. Opting for energy-efficient doors is a win for both your wallet and the environment. Increased home security. Security is a top concern for any homeowner, and new patio doors come with enhanced safety features. Reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and shatter-resistant glass make it harder for intruders to gain entry. By upgrading to a more secure patio door, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your home and loved ones are well protected. Improved functionality and easy access. If you have an older patio door that sticks, jams, or requires a lot of effort to open and close, it's more than just a nuisance. It can actually deter you from enjoying your outdoor space. New patio doors are designed for smooth operation, providing easy and reliable access to your patio, deck, or backyard. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, entertaining guests, or just stepping outside for a breath of fresh air, a new patio door makes your outdoor area more accessible and inviting. Expanded outdoor views. One of the key benefits of a patio door is the view it offers. Replacing your old door with a new model featuring expansive glass panels can dramatically improve your sightlines, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted views of your garden, pool, or landscape. This connection to nature can make your indoor space feel larger, more open, and better integrated with your outdoor living area. Increased property value. Installing a new patio door is a smart investment that can boost your home's market value. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes with high-quality patio doors because they enhance the home's aesthetic appeal, provide energy savings, and improve overall functionality. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, investing in a new patio door can deliver a high return on investment by increasing the enjoyment and value of your home. Customization options to suit your needs. Today's patio doors come with a wide range of customizable options. From sliding, French, or folding doors to different frame materials and glass types, you can tailor your door to match your specific preferences and lifestyle. Whether you're looking for durability, maximum light, or energy efficiency, there's a patio door that can meet your needs and complement your Kendall home perfectly. Upgrade your home with a new patio door. Installing a new patio door can truly transform your Kendall home. From enhancing aesthetics and energy efficiency to improving functionality and security, the benefits are extensive. If you've been considering upgrading your patio door, now is the time to enjoy the increased comfort, style, and value it can bring to your home. Take the step to create a more inviting, light-filled, and connected space, inside and out.